Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. So I'm trying a few different things in this video. Okay, first off, you guys, I went to Amazon and I was trying to find like some type of biblical, either like charm necklace or charm bracelet, but like all the really nice ones was like $20 and up, and I was like, ooh no. Like y'all, I couldn't bring myself to do it. So I was like, I'm just gonna try to do something. I don't know what, but I'm gonna try to do something. So these are a few different ones that I like, and I printed of all different sizes: 3 inches. I've got 2 inches, 1 inch. You guys, I didn't know if I was gonna be. I didn't know how it was gonna come out. If I was gonna be able to read it or not. I mean, you can see it, but it is kind of, that one over there is kind of small. Like I probably should have took the white border off that, but I mean, hey, it is what it is. Shoot, it's printed now. Okay, and another thing that I did differently as well is, you guys know when I do the like when I do the earrings, I usually print it off on paper and, you know, like glue it onto the wood. I gotta paint this one. Glue it onto the wood with like some Mod Podge. But you guys, if you do earrings, then y'all, that can be a process in itself. Like just laying the Mod Podge down and gluing the images on. Like sometimes you might get like, you know, air bubbles. It's just it's a hot mess sometimes. Sometimes it's a hot mess, and so I tried to do something different. So I printed it out on sticker paper. And I'm hoping that that will eliminate the first step to where I can just, it's a sticker. I can just put it on the wood and then just work on sealing it. I mean, it should get rid of the air bubbles. It shouldn't be no little smudges on it. I don't know. I hope this works out good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut these out, and then I'm going to come back. Alright, you guys, so I am back. I'm trying to get the camera. It's fine, I guess, right there. Okay, so we got my 3-inch, got my 2-inch right here, and my 1-inch. Now, these are not cut perfect. I hand cut these myself. So, no, they are not perfect. You guys, I am like really hoping that this does what I hope, and it skips the whole first process. Cause y'all dealing with that Mod Podge, that can be, oh man, I didn't even size it up to see if I needed to cut it more. Oh Jesus. No, they actually look like they fit pretty on point. So y'all, this about to be my mistake, because like I said, I did not even size it. But it fit perfect. Oh my God, I love it already. Look at that. Perfect. No air bubbles, no smudges, because, you know, my Podge is on my fingers. You guys, this works so good. I think I'm going to start printing my earrings on sticker paper first. Like, this was freaking genius. Genius. Now I am going to go over them with my Podge to seal them on, but y'all, this is like, shoot, this is everything to me right now. Oh my God, you guys, I did have a question. I wanted to know if any of you have converted like your garage to any. I'm going to be trying to convert my garage to my new craft space, you guys, because I keep ordering stuff. Like, and the more I order, the more stuff I accumulate, and like, y'all, there is no room in this house. Like, I love the house. The house is everything that we were looking for, but it doesn't leave much room for me to have the space that I need to, you know, to do my crafts and to work. So, I mean, we don't use our garage, so I'm just going to go ahead and try to utilize that space as best as I can. But I want to know, I don't really know how to do it. You guys, look at that. I'm loving this, y'all. Already. Now I'm going to use these to be like some charms for my necklace. You guys, yes, I want this to be big. I want this to be able to be red. These are like really good reminders. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep applying my stickers and then I'll be back. Alright, so I am done sticking them all on, and right now what I'm doing is I'm just taking some Mod Podge and just covering, you know, covering it as we would to seal it. You guys, I can say this already it's looking better to me. Not only is it looking better, but it sped up the whole earring process by a lot. So that is a huge plus. And so now, I mean, I'm pretty much done, because once that seal dries, I can then go ahead and put on my top layer of Mod Podge. And then once I do that, you guys, I'm done. Like that's it. That is all. But I did add the images on the back as well, so I'm gonna coat the back as well, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I am back. I have put on 2 coats of the gloss. As you can see, it is these are really shiny. And I also went along the edge with my, what is this, my leafing metallic pen, whichever one you want to call it. So I'm going to hole punch the charms. I'm going to use that for the charms. And I believe this is 1 1/16, I think. These are going to be my earrings, so I'm going to use, I believe these are ribbon ends, and I'm going to use ribbon ends as well for my necklace pieces. So I just did the back plain. So let me go ahead and clamp these on. Y'all, man, being left-handed is hard up in this right-hand world. Serious. Alright, so I got one on. Now, I will say this. For the 1-inch charms, you guys, I did not like really think all this stuff 100% all the way through. Like, I didn't. I never do. I just wing it, and if something happens to come along, then I think about it then and stay on course. Okay, so with the 1-inch charms, you guys, they are like small, but being that they are small, I'm thinking I would also need, I don't know, would I have to, I don't know, because I'm thinking if I put a ribbon end on them, it's going to cover up. I don't want to cover up like none of the letters, but then if I poke a hole, that also is like taken away from the letters. I don't know. I'm going to figure that out. So for the necklaces, of course, I just got these that are already ready to go. But if I was going to sell these, I would definitely switch these silver things out for some gold ones. That way it matched. But because these are, you know, personal, these are mine, I'm not going to do all that. Because hey, I don't really care. But you could also use what is this cord, some type of suede cord. Okay, you could also use suede cord. I was actually going to use this instead of this, that way I could you know, just tie it to the sides and adjust it that way. I don't know. I was going to do it, but I changed my mind. So I'm not going with that. So So I'm going to go ahead and attach these, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, and for my bracelet charms, I'm going to really quickly put together a bracelet, but shoot, first I love wire bracelets, so trying to figure out. Now, did I even cut this right? Did I? Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that would be 3 layers. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and create probably just a wooden bead bracelet, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am all done. The necklaces, you guys, I love the necklaces, love the earrings. I love the bracelet, but I'm not sure how I feel about them. I mean, I love this one. Maybe I'm just overdoing it with too many. That's probably what I'm doing. I probably got too many on here. Let me just take one of them off. Goodness, now this thing don't want to come off. Okay. Yeah, it was probably just too many. Okay, that looks a whole lot better. A whole lot better. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, I love that. And I love how it just dangles down. Like, I love it. Yep, I like it. Okay, so I'm happy with how it came out. Shoot, 3 necklaces, 3 earrings, and a bracelet. Shoot, with already stuff that I had, I saved that $20. That $20 is gonna stay in my pocket. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.